Hello everyone, I am Preet and today in this video we are seeing that how to make a simple website on Notepad, this Notepad, or else we can make it in Notepad++. So firstly you see the intro and come back first. Hello, welcome back everyone. So now let's start to how to make a site in Notepad or Notepad++. So firstly we start with Notepad. So first open Notepad and before we start I say that I will not speak of arrow because arrow is in every line and word. So I will not speak arrow. So here you have to write HTML. Enter. Here you have to write head. After that you have to write title, T-I-T-L-E, title. Then here you have to enter your title. So I am entering E-N-T. Yes, so this is done. Now then again space and do this title. Before you write title you have to add a slash and then title, T-I-T-L-E. So this much is done. Now again arrow and you have to now do slash. Here you have to do slash and head, H-E-A-D. Then done. Then here you have to introduce your site, that how much means this is a simple site. If I speak in Hindi we can say that ये है ना हमारे साइट का सिर्फ परिचय, मतलब कि ये उसके बारे में लिखना है. हम हिंदी में कहें तो उसके बारे में लिखना है, अपनी साइट के बारे में. और कोई बच्चा कर रहा है अपने दोस्त को दिखा देख मुझे साइट आ गई तो कुछ भी लिख सकते हैं, एनीथिंग दैट यू वांट टू राइट. और ये जो टाइटल है ना, ये एंटर योर टाइटल हियर, वो कहाँ पे दिखेगा पता है? यहाँ पे देखो इधर न्यू टैब दिखता है ना, न्यू टैब, हाँ उधर दिखेगा. ये न्यू टैब लिखा हुआ दिख रहा है तो उधर हम जो एंटर करेंगे एंटर योर टाइटल, जो भी उधर एंटर करेंगे वो उधर दिखेगा. और हेड है ना हमें कहाँ पे दिखेगा? इधर ये नीचे, इधर सिर्फ ब्लैंक शीट होगी है और उसमें सिर्फ आ जाएगा नीचे, ठीक है. तो हेड, इन दिस हेड you have to introduce your site. I have already said in now you have to again arrow, H-E-A-D and this. Now in next line again arrow and body, B-O-D-Y. Yes, now your site is done. So now you cannot save it normally. There is one trick to save it. So first Control S, then your start with capital letter, so there is no confusion. After that you will suffer that some confusion. So I write my name, so Preet. Now you have to a dot, simple a dot, and after dot you have to write HTML. Then save it where you have to save. After saving, see here is my, you can open it in anything, any browser, means internet explorer or Chrome or anything. So I open Chrome. See, I have changed the title here and introduced here. This is very simple to make, easily you can make it. Now time to do this all the things in Notepad++. But first there is same only. Open Notepad++. See, there is simple. If I erase everything and control V, you have to. This is very simple. Here you have to write HTML. Here head. Here title. Here you have to enter your title here. Then introduce your site. You can write it in many words. Whole page you can write, and your body. But simple. This is very simple. So this is very simple, and in this also Control S, and I have already saved in somewhere. Then here it is. See, very simple. So today for this video, I end my video here. Please like, share and subscribe. I take 1 hour to do this editing and many things. Thank you.